Hi guys, welcome to EditPulse channel. In this video we're gonna see how you can make the video background blur. Please subscribe to the channel to support us. Let's go. Open the CapCut app. Tap New Project. Add your photo. Select Add. From the menu below, select the Effects option. Then select Video Effects. Select the Blur effect. You can adjust the degree of blur. Drag the blur effect bar to the end of the video. Add the first video again from the overlay section. Adjust the size of the video to the size of the first video. Tap the cutout option to remove the background of the second video. You can see that the background of your video was easily blurred. To get the unlocked version of CapCut, download from our Telegram channel. If you like the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Thank you.